In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Minecraft app not installed problem. If you're facing this problem when installing Minecraft on your device, then first make sure your device has enough free storage. If your storage is almost full, delete unnecessary files and apps. Then try to install Minecraft again. Next, you want to open your device settings, then tap on apps. From this list of applications, find Package Installer or Package Manager option. Once you find it, go ahead and select that. Now tap on the option of storage. Here tap on clear cache. If the issue continues, you can also tap on clear data. Now head back. Now find the option of Google Play Store, select that. Here tap on storage, here tap on clear cache. You also want to do the same thing for Google Play services as well. After that, you want to try to install Minecraft again and check if your issue has been resolved. If you're installing Minecraft using an APK file, make sure Install Unknown Apps is enabled for the browser or file manager you're using. If your problem is still not fixed, you simply want to restart your device. After restarting your device, head over to Play Store. Now here, search for Minecraft. Then you can simply install it from here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.